afternoon, students. Today we are going to do questions from Let Us Access of this chapter 10 geometry. Look at the first question. How many sides and corners do the given figures have? Name them. This particular figure has got 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. And this particular figure has 5 sides and 5 corners. Okay. Let me name one of them. Suppose I have to name this. Name the sides and corners here. Sides, you will write it as AP, BC, CD and DA. If you have to write the corners here, it is A, B, C and D. So I hope this is clear. Similar way you have to go for pentagon. PQRST. Now look at this particular figure. You have to identify the figure KLMN. This is KLMN. You have to join K to M. Means I have to join the opposite vertices, that is K and M, and L to N. So we have joined. Now measure KM and LN, and what do you find? So when we measure, what we will find? For this you have to take a geometry box. Inside the geometry box you have to use the ruler. Put it along this point K and M. So it is coming around this is 3.6 centimeter. So we will write here KM is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now let us measure NL. What are we going to get here? Even LN is also coming 3.6 centimeter. Now what do you find here? So you will write here, we find KM is equal to LN, that is equal to 3.6 centimeters. And what is KM and LN? They are diagonals. So you will write here, diagonals are equal in a rectangle. Let us move to the next question. Which common solid shape do the following objects resemble? So tube light looks like a cylinder. A sweet box, how does it look? It looks like a cuboid. So in this way you go on filling the name of the shape. Coming on to question number 4, this is what you have to match the solid shape to its name. Like for example, this is a sphere. So you have to match where sphere is written. Similar way, complete it with all other bits. Match the given attributes to the name of the solid. 6 flat square faces, 12 sides and 8 vertices. This is none other than cube because all are having square faces in a cube only. Next, 1 flat and 1 curved surface. So 1 flat and 1 curved face will be what? 1 flat face and 1 curved face. It will be nothing other than cone. Cone has got only two faces. One is curved face and another is one flat face, that is bottom of the cube. Let us come to the next question, that is 1 curved face, no side, no vertices. So this will be nothing other than sphere. Now 2 flat and 1 curved surface. This will be cylinder. And last one, 6 flat rectangular faces. This will be cuboid. Let us come to the next question here. The next question is, name 2 objects for each of the following solids. So if we look at this particular solid, that is cube, we will have so many real life examples. One of them, cube, will be your dice. Another is your ice cubes. Let us come to cylinder. Look at the two real objects for the cylinder are, you can tell, water bottle and another cylinder can be chalk. So likewise you can give more examples. Okay, so you can complete the remaining part, like here cone and sphere also can give 2 examples, and you can complete this question number 7. Here you have to check out that which particular figure is showing you the correct line of symmetry. Okay, so we have here A, B, C. Each of them are showing two pictures, same 2 pictures, but the line of symmetry are different. So which of them is correct? Like for example, if we see these 2 butterflies, this particular butterfly is means the line of symmetry here, it can divide the butterfly into 2 equal halves, but this line of symmetry, no, it cannot. So we can put a tick on this. Similarly, you can go for B and C. Thank you.